Real talk, mamas. There is absolutely nothing more exhausting than trying to soothe a crying baby at 35,000 feet while simultaneously trying to hook up your breast pump and not spill an ounce of liquid gold. Whether you are heading to a luxury resort in Maui or flying cross-country for a bougie family vacation, the travel anxiety is so incredibly real. But what if you didn't have to do it alone? What if you could actually relax, sip champagne, and stick to your pumping schedule without the stress? Today, we are spilling the tea on the ultimate luxury travel hack: hiring a private flight nanny for breastfeeding support. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your favorite corner of the internet for navigating motherhood with style, confidence, and a whole lot of luxury. Having a baby shouldn't mean sacrificing your aesthetic or your sanity while traveling. Grab your iced matcha and let's get into it, because this one is a total game changer. We are talking about exactly what a private flight nanny does, how they support your breastfeeding journey, and why hiring one is worth every single buck. First things first, what exactly is a private flight nanny? Think of them as your personal travel concierge, newborn care specialist, and hype woman all rolled into one. When you are a breastfeeding mom, your schedule revolves around feeding and pumping. A flight nanny steps in to handle everything else. They meet you at the airport, breeze through the TSA security line with you, and take full control of the heavy lifting. While you are getting comfortable in the airport lounge setting up your wearable pump, your nanny is wrangling the stroller, organizing the diaper bag, and keeping your little one entertained. It takes your travel stress levels from a solid 10 down to an absolute 0. Now, let's talk about the in-flight experience, because this is where a flight nanny truly earns their keep. Pumping on a plane can feel like a logistical nightmare. But with a flight nanny by your side, it is an absolute breeze. When it is time for you to pump, your nanny will take your baby for a walk down the aisle, do a diaper change in that tiny airplane bathroom, or gently rock them to sleep. They can even handle bottle feeding your freshly pumped milk or warming up your stash while you get some much-needed rest. You can pump in peace under a chic nursing cover, transfer your ounces into your high-end travel chiller, and hand it right off to your nanny to store. It is the ultimate VIP experience that protects your milk supply. So, how do you actually hire one? Look for elite domestic staffing agencies that specialize in travel childcare. Be prepared to cover their flights, travel expenses, and their daily rate. Yes, it is a premium investment, but when you factor in the sleep you will get, the miles you will earn without losing your mind, and the absolute joy of a stress-free vacation, it is worth its weight in gold. When interviewing candidates, make sure they are CPR certified and ask about their experience supporting pumping mothers. You want someone who intuitively knows how to handle your liquid gold and respects your feeding goals. Traveling as a breastfeeding mom does not have to be a struggle bus. With the right support system, you can protect your peace, maintain your supply, and actually enjoy your trip from the moment you step into the airport. If you are ready to travel like a VIP and love these tips, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up if you would totally hire a flight nanny, and drop a comment below telling us your dream vacation destination. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Safe travels, mamas.